Some fuel in the Crown Victoria. She can't get that thing in the camera. Trying to get in the camera. Yeah, she looking good. I gotta wash it, but it's about to rain, so about to rain, so I'm gonna wait. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over how to save fuel when driving a V8. So here we have the Ford Crown Victoria. Now we all know that V8s drink way more gas than a 6-cylinder and a 4-cylinder. But there are some things you can do to help improve the gas mileage on the vehicle, like like this Ford Crown Victoria. So let's go over those. And we're going to start with, first things first, is the tires that you have on the vehicle, right? So if you keep some good thread on there, it helps keep the vehicle rolling smooth. Therefore, will help you maintain, or at least get some good gas mileage on the vehicle. Now, if you're riding with ball tires, or the tires are low on air, that requires a little more power. Therefore, it's going to require a little bit more fuel. Here, this V8 is running, but you want to make sure you keep the vehicle maintained, right? And another big thing you want to do is make sure you keep this air filter that's inside of here. Make sure it's clean. If that is clogged up or it's very dirty, it's going to burn more fuel, because the vehicle is trying to breathe and it can't if that filter is dirty. So make sure that stays clean, and just keep the vehicle, as far as engine-wise, maintained as well. All right, moving to the inside of the vehicle. You want to make sure that when you're driving, that you don't punch on the vehicle every time you take off or every time you accelerate. You want to, what they would call, feather the pedal. Gently press the pedal as you're taking off. Don't worry, you're going to get up to speed. The harsher you take off, the more fuel you're definitely going to burn, because it's just, you're taking off faster. It's going to use a lot more power. The more horsepower you use, the more fuel you burn. So definitely want to make sure that you're taking off, at a smoother pace, and therefore to help you, get better gas mileage. Keep in mind that when you're driving in the city, you are going to burn more fuel than you would if you're on the highway, because you have to keep doing the stop and go. And as you stop and go, it requires a little more power. Another thing you can do is to make sure that you get good quality gas in your vehicle. So depending on what gas station you use or where you're fueling up, that's going to make a difference as well, because some fuel burns off a lot quicker than it does at other fuel stations. So pay attention. If you realize, you're not getting, or you feel like you're not getting the right gas mileage, then you may want to try a different gas station and, see if that works, because you may get a better quality fuel, and then that way it'll burn a lot slower than it would if you get some cheap fuel put in there and it's going to burn off super quick. Personally, I ride with the air on. I kind of do a mix here and there, but I ride with it on. These cars are modern enough to where you can run the AC and it's not dragging down the engine power. So therefore, you're good. To me, if you have the windows down, then that requires, that push drag on the car. So I believe that if you have the air on, then it will actually save, because the car is not burning that much power to run the air. But now that may be questionable. I don't know for sure, but from my experience, that's what I get from the vehicle. Now, my vehicle, I do actually get pretty good gas mileage, actually real good gas mileage. I'll probably say somewhere about 17, 18 a gallon, somewhere in there. I don't find myself regularly having to fill this vehicle up. I actually do a lot of driving. So, I think the last time I filled up, I may have went around half a tank. And now I have 116 miles I have went with the vehicle. Now, that was all mainly, I'm not going to say all, but mainly city driving. So just going through the town. and then we go with 116. So you can imagine if I was on the highway, we got a little bit better gas mileage. So those are some tips and information on how to save gas when driving a V8 sedan like the Ford Crown Victoria. If you have any tips of your own, please leave it down in the comment section below. We all would like to know what you may do to get better gas mileage. Now, does any fuel treatment additives work? I don't use those. Me personally, what I would do if I just wanted to try to, some kind of fuel additive or something like that, I would just add premium gas to the vehicle, and that seems to take care of it. So when I first got this vehicle, it had been sitting a while. I didn't want to add that stuff, that you buy at the parts store, that they charge you 2 for $7 or whatever like that little bitty bottle. So just add a couple gallons of premium fuel. So like for this car, since it has set, I added a little, maybe 2-3 gallons of premium fuel, right? Drove it till it's almost out of fuel, or at least till it got to E, not till it's about to shut off. And then I'll turn around, may add some more premium, and then later on add some, go back to the regular, and then there you go. The system runs. You see, it is running. At least you can hear it, and it's running smooth. So that's with the premium. So if these cars sit a while, just add a little premium fuel to it, help with that fuel system, and there you go. Other than that, thank you guys for tuning in, watching the video, and I will catch you on the next one.